Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a key lime pie. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab a food processor and place in your biscuits and blitz them down until they reach a fine crumb. Once they've reached a fine crumb, you can place them into a bowl. And this is just easier because my food processor isn't very big. So then add in your melted butter and mix this in until it's fully incorporated. You're looking for the look of wet sand. So once you've got it fully coated, it should become this dark golden brown. Once you've done that, you can then grab your tart tin, which I'm using this size. I think it's either an 8 or a 9. I will leave it in the blog post anyway. Then transfer that digestive biscuit mixture into there completely. Level it out to start spreading it around a little bit, and you want to create a lip as you need this to go up the sides of the tin as well. I find a spatula works really well for this part, but then using a cup measurement works really well to create that side, and it helps to compact it. So just use your finger or your thumb and the cup, and it should create this kind of like pastry case kind of thing. Then set this in the oven and bake it while you make the filling. So for the filling, simply take a mixing bowl and place in the condensed milk, followed by the double cream and lime juice, not forgetting the eggs and lime zest, then mixing everything together until it's fully combined. You need to give it a really good mix as you need that zest to not be clumpy in there. You need it to be fairly distributed throughout, so just keep giving it a good whisk until it's fully incorporated. And you're looking for quite a smooth mixture. It won't be completely smooth due to the zest, but should be smooth enough that it doesn't create any problems. It does take on this kind of yellowish kind of green tint colour. That's completely fine, don't worry, that's what you're looking for. Give the bowl a scraping down, just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Then you can take your pie or your tart base from the oven, and it doesn't matter if it's straight from the oven or not, but mine is. Take it straight from the oven and then pour in the key lime filling and just jiggle it around or spread and level it until it's done. Then place into the oven and bake up. I will leave all the information in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out if you are interested in making this recipe. It's perfect for the summer, so don't forget that. Just before serving, so once the tart is baked, you can go ahead and make the cream topping, which is really simple. Just take some double cream into a mixing bowl, followed by some granulated sugar, then some vanilla extract, and just whisk until it reaches stiff peaks. I also made some cream for another recipe, so that's why there's so much. You don't need this much. I will leave the exact amount you need in the blog post, again linked down below, so don't forget to check it out if you're interested. Keep your eye on the whipped cream as you do not want it to become super overworked and granular. That's just not pleasant. Once your tart is chilled, you can then go ahead and cut it up. I cut mine into 8 portions, and that gave very generous portions. This is very tart, so if you like stuff like a lemon meringue, you will definitely like this. Cut it into as many or as few pieces as you like. The choice is really up to you. So then to finish the key lime pie, simply pipe as much or as little whipped cream on top. Then on top of the whipped cream, just zest over some lime zest, and then you're good to go. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. And I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.